Far across the shimmering seas lay a hidden island, shrouded in mist and guarded by the roaring waves. Legends told of an ancient treasure buried deep within its heart, but no sailor had ever returned to tell the tale. That was until three unlikely adventurers decided to change that: Leo, the brave lion; Bella, the wise owl; and Finn, the mischievous dolphin. One sunny afternoon, while exploring an old shipwreck near the shore, Finn discovered a weathered bottle bobbing in the water. Inside was a map, marked with strange symbols and a single word: destiny. Finn flipped and twirled the bottle excitedly. This has to lead to something amazing. Leo examined the map, his golden mana glinting in the sunlight. An island. This could be the legendary Lost Island. Bella adjusted her tiny spectacles. The path won't be easy. We'll need to solve puzzles and face challenges. Are we ready for this? The trio shared a determined nod and set off aboard a raft, with Finn swimming alongside as their navigator. After days of travel, the mist began to clear, revealing jagged rocks surrounding the island. These rocks were unlike any others. They hummed and vibrated with an eerie melody. "What's that sound?" Leo asked, his ears twitching. Bella scanned the map. "It's a puzzle. We need to match the melody to pass." Finn leapt onto a flat rock and slapped his tail in rhythm with the humming. Bella hooted and whistled a harmony, while Leo roared a bass line. Together, their music blended perfectly with the rocks, which parted to reveal a safe passage. "First test complete," Finn cheered, flipping joyfully into the water. Upon reaching the island, the trio found themselves in a dense jungle where trees seemed to move and paths shifted like rivers of sand. "It's a maze," Bella said, peering through her spectacles. "But look! The map shows a pattern in the stars above." As night fell, they followed the constellations, marking their way through the twisting jungle. At one point, an enormous snake made of vines slithered in their path. Leo stood firm. "We mean no harm," he said bravely. "We seek the treasure to restore the island's magic." The snake hissed, then retreated into the foliage, clearing the path. Their journey led them to a towering cliff, where a dark cave mouth yawned. Inside, their voices echoed unnaturally. "To proceed, you must answer the cave's question," a booming voice said. "What cannot be seen, but can fill the world?" Finn tapped his nose. "That's easy." The cave rumbled in approval, and the walls lit up with glowing patterns, showing a hidden door. Beyond the cave lay a glimmering lagoon. In the center stood a pedestal holding a crystal shaped like a beating heart. Surrounding it were ancient guardians, statues of animals that came to life as they approached. "To claim the heart of the island, prove your unity," one guardian said. The trio joined paws, wings, and fins, forming a circle. Together, they declared, "We seek this treasure not for ourselves, but to bring life back to the island." The guardians bowed, and the crystal began to glow. The entire island seemed to awaken. Flowers bloomed, trees stood taller, and the air sparkled with magic. As the trio sailed home, the mist lifted completely, revealing the island to the world. Its beauty was no longer hidden, and animals from near and far came to see the restored paradise. "Think there's more treasure out there?" Finn asked, grinning. Leo laughed. "If there is, we'll find it." Bella adjusted her spectacles and smiled. "But for now, let's enjoy this victory." And so, the adventurers returned as heroes, their bond stronger and their spirits forever tied to the magic of the Lost Island.